TheBudgetBee here. I have been to Tuesday morning and I wanted to show you what I got. It's kind of funny. I went because I saw Janet of Craftin' Up Creations, some of her haul videos, so I went to Tuesday morning and Michael's. When I got to Tuesday morning, I could not remember for the life of me what I was there looking for, but I didn't come away empty-handed. So I've seen these letterboards in the past at Target Dollar Spot and different places, and I always thought that they looked interesting, but I, never really thought I needed one until I saw this cute phrase kit, I guess they call them. My husband and I are trying to cook more and, eat less fast food and stuff. Eventually, I want to try to maybe do keto or something, but right now it's just a challenge to cook. So I thought this might make it kind of fun. You can spell out, what you're gonna have. This board might not be big enough, but they had other larger boards. They come, you twist them off of here, I guess. So I'm not sure if this is gonna be big enough. I might need to get a bigger board. The way they did it in the example was they didn't put the day, they put like the meal. But I mean, it's always going to be dinner. I guess if you had a really big board, you could put several days. I also got, I already had these from once before when I had gotten myself a little letterboard from Target, I think. And then I think I changed my mind and I returned it. Or maybe I just got the letters. I don't know. Anyway, I had these letters. And the font's a little different, but they might work on here. I don't know. I haven't tried them. So I had those already, and I dug them back out. And I got these letters, which I'm realizing now are much too large. They're the 2-inch high letters. Sorry for the glare. So, and there's the price. But I also got little letters in gold. And they also had little letters in pink and in black. So what I might do is I might go back and get the pink and the black ones. I might exchange this for a slightly larger board. And I also got this kit here. I didn't realize that it didn't come with the non-script letters. This is all it comes with. So I need to go back and get some little pink letters so that I can write things out. And I thought it might be kind of fun when I was putting out the, like writing the menu, like if something's a favorite, we could use the word favorite. Uh-oh, oh, there's the heart. This is one of the things I liked about it. The heart, like also for Valentine's. Yeah, I think I need a bigger adorbs. Laugh. Smile. Beautiful. Love. Favorite. Favorite dinner. Anyway, so these were $2.99. And I also got this kit. This is what made me think to get the gold letters. This kit, it says the most wonderful time of the year, and it comes with a little pennant. So that was super cool. They also had one that said I'm dreaming of a white Christmas, and for some reason I didn't get it. I went back to get it and it was gone. So that's too bad, so sad. Anyway, there's the tag. Apparently there's an 800 number for Tuesday morning that you can call if you want to see if they have a certain product, but you need like that product number. It's 1-800-901-0881. 800-901-0881. And what else did I get? I got these adorable little paper clips. Might share some of these. They're shaped like little doggies. And oh, and I got a whole nother phrase kit. This one, I won't open this one, but it's all of the months. So I thought that was neat. And I thought these would be good on a junk journal. And I have been wanting a water brush for a really long time to use with my like distress inks and stuff. This was just $1.99. I had looked at Michael's and I think it was like $8. So, or maybe it was Hobby Lobby for a different brand. So hopefully this will work well. And also, I didn't get these recently, but I was wondering if anyone has experience with these ColorWorks stamp pads before I open them, because I might return them. If anyone has any feedback, they're pigment ink pads. I can't find any reviews online. Alright, that's it for Tuesday morning. Okay, so there was only one thing I wanted to share with you that I got at Dollar Tree recently, and that was these Rhinestone Stickers. They are not just clear, in my opinion. First of all, I hadn't seen a long sheet like this in years. But secondly, look, I don't know if the camera is picking this up, but they look like the AB. You know, on Swarovski, how they're like this AB crystals look kind of, well, I guess it stands for Aurora Borealis. Sort of like there's colors in there, but not, if that makes sense. Do you see that? I thought those were so pretty. I grabbed up some, even though I have a lot of crystally, rhinestoney stickers. So that's the only thing I wanted to share with you that I got at Dollar Tree. The other stuff was just boring. And then we had a craft night at my cousin's. Isn't that cute? She gave us a little party favor when we left. Looks like my dog. Anyway, I wanted to show you, even though my little project isn't quite complete. That's a big shocker there. I wanted to show you what the plan was. I just have to... Oh, there it is. I was worried. I thought my project was missing. Okay, she got us some terracotta pots that we painted white, and then we painted over them with gold. It was just kind of dealer's choice, whatever you want to do. Then you cut yourself some foam to fit down in there, and then you put the sphagnum moss on top. We had barbecue skewers. You can just get those at Dollar Tree. Oh, by the way, this was my little party favor. Isn't that cute? It's a little mason jar flower vase. I love that. I love small vases. So then we got some Fimo soft clay. She got soft clay to make sure our moms could knead it, the warmth of your hand, if you just make a snake. Anyway, so what you're supposed to do is stamp with like a doily stamp and then paint it. But the doily stamp, I think because I got a silicone stamp instead of a rubber stamp, it wasn't really showing up very much. And she had gotten some of these laser cut wood shapes, which was absolutely brilliant. I just wanted to share this idea with you guys. She let me take some of them. You probably recognize these. I think they actually might even be on the stamping aisle at my Michael's. And we all picked the rose and we smushed it into the clay. And look at that. Isn't that neat? And then there it is on that other thing. It was supposed to be like a Valentine's project. You're supposed to actually stamp the clay and then cut the heart out, but I got it kind of backwards, but it doesn't seem to have affected it too badly. And I had some little letter stamps from the Target dollar spot that I stamped in love, and yeah, so I just wanted to show that to you. We painted it with different kinds of like metallic paints, and everybody's was completely different from everybody else's, and it was really a lot of fun. And so then what I will do is I'll like glue it to a skewer. I meant to do it today and I just forgot. Whoops. Anyway, my mom, hers was kind of interesting because my dad passed away a year ago this month, and she made a heart with a couple of rose impressions, and then she made 2 teardrop shapes, and she layered like a big one and then a small one, and she painted those. And she's gonna, I don't remember how she said she's gonna do it. She's gonna do the heart and then like the teardrops, or if she's gonna put them on the skewer, but I thought it was kind of a sweet and beautiful idea. I can't wait to see how it turns out. So that's it for my haul and my little, I guess, craft share of what we did, even though it's incomplete. Story of my life on crafts. I'm so slow. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you soon. Bye!